Now this is kind of confusing because we don't know where the word starts or ends. We don't know where there's two words here. Where do the words end? We'll come back to now. What's this word over here?
Well, that's was it Nalboy? Nalbut's changed into a girl.
Girl, right?
Yeah.
And then the sound is, what's the sound first?
Noi.
Yeah, it's the same sound.
Noi, yeah.
Yeah, just different tone. Now let's go. The tone you put in at a second level. So you've got the sound. Now, what's the tone? The tone is a dead girl.
Yeah.
No, we don't care if it's cut off because it's a dagger.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. I think you're getting confused with the na. The noi is got a dagger, so you don't care about how it ends. So what happens to dead girls?
Dead girls there. Right. Oh, I see. Okay. So that's the way I say it is monotone.
Yeah, but it's a low sad monotone.
Right. Noi.
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 Oh, I'm so depressed. Noi.
Noi.
Oh dear. Noi.
Noi.
Okay, so the first noi is the uncertain one. It's noi.
Noi.
Noi, and this is noi.
Noi.
It's a little house. The house is a little. I mean, we would say in English, the house is a little small. And this is the problem I've had before. Okay, so let's put in a little division thing here for you.
One,
which is
one
singing sound.
Today.
No. This is sweet because it's got a.
Oh, one sweet. Oh,
yeah.
One.
If I left out the sex change, it would be monotone.
Day.
One, which means yesterday. One means yesterday.
To took one means every day.
Yeah. Now look at the difference in spelling. This one here is day, with the puppy with the pizza topping. One. But one with the R vowel on its own means yesterday.
Oh.
So one and one. So that's why Thais usually say mua one, so that you can hear that it's yesterday and not day. But this is now a different word. We've now changed the sex to a girl, so the tone is Y. Are you fine? One.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now, what's the next word? We've just done it up here.
Noi.
Yeah, it's an uncertain. Noi, uncertain. Now,
Noi,
when you say, let's say you want a coffee, and you want it, if you say, au café, one, noi. When you say it like that, I want coffee that's a little sweet.
Yeah, little. Oh, I see.
That's a little sweet.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
But now the next one. Read the next sentence.
One.
Yeah, and then the next this noi here
is.
It's the one with the dagger. The
Noi.
No, it's a girl. It's a girl now.
Girl. Noi.
That's sad. One noi.
One noi.
Yeah. When you say it that way, with a sad noi, you're basically saying please. I want it sweet, please. I want sweet coffee. Yeah. Please, can I have sweet coffee? So if I were to start the sentence saying, au café one noi, if I'm saying it like that, then I'm saying I want coffee that's a little sweet. But if I say au café one noi, then you're asking, please, can I have a sweet coffee? So it's quite important to know the difference between the two nois. The first noi literally means small, a little. The second noi is used to mean please.
Right.
That's another way you could say it. Because noi also is a way of saying please. So you could say, au café one noi. So I want
noi.
Yeah,
right.
I want a sweet.
Right.
I want a coffee that's a little sweet, please.
Noi.
Yeah, the second noi is really, in this case, becomes please.
Yeah.
But the first noi means a little. So it's very important to practice saying the two nois in the right tone. Noi literally means yes,
Noi.
little. Yeah.
Noi.
Like nit noi.
Yeah, nit noi.
Yeah. But if you say noi with a sad tone, you're really saying please. I want it really sweet, please.
So if noi means a few, a little, what nit means?
Nit also means a little.
Like,
means tiny, a bit.
So nit noi means little.
Yeah, Thais love to take two words with the same meaning and just, or just double up the word. You know, like pang pang or swai swai or sap aroy. Sap is isan for aroy and aroy is aroy for aroy. So, you know, non lap. Non lap is another good example. Is non means to lie down and sleep. And lap means to lie down and sleep.